how to fit a Turbosmart plumb-back EM valve to a petrol Next Gen Ranger Raptor. Disconnect the electrical connector on the valve. There's a white locking security tang. That needs to get pushed towards yourself. Push it in, then you can unplug the connector. Next, you want to unclip this wiring from the bolt. You can just give it a wiggle. If it's really tight, you can use a trim tool to just help wiggle it off. Remove your 3 mounting bolts. And now remove your valve. Take your Turbosmart valve and its mounting bracket. Install the mounting bracket by sliding it on where you've got the 2 recessed slots on it with the engraved side facing towards the bottom of the valve. Check that both O-rings are seated properly on the body of the valve and install the valve into the boost pipe, ensuring that the gap in the bracket is facing downwards. Install using the supplied stainless hex head bolts. Fully tighten the bolts whilst holding the valve flat against the boost pipe using a 5mm Allen key. Plug your electrical connector in. And now this mount, it's got nowhere to sit, but it does sit perfectly on the worm drive.